Hey everyone! Today we're going to explore a common but crucial electronic component, the relay. This little black box is essentially an electrically operated switch. To really understand how it works, I'm going to carefully cut it open. I'm using my rotary tool to slice through the plastic casing. Safety first, of course. Just need to get through the side so I can pop the cover off without damaging the parts inside. There we go. Now I can just pull the cover off. And there we have it. Let's take a look inside. You can see the main parts. This is a coil of copper wire wrapped around an iron core. This will act as our electromagnet. And here we have the switch part, which consists of a movable arm called an armature and a set of contacts. The basic principle is this. A small electrical current through the coil creates a magnetic field. This field pulls the armature, which then physically closes a separate circuit. I'm soldering some wires to the terminals now so I can set up a simple circuit to demonstrate this. Okay, I've got it all wired up. I'm using this 20-volt battery to power a simple computer fan. But instead of connecting the battery directly to the fan, the power for the fan will go through the relay's switch contacts. The second part of the circuit is the control circuit. I will use a small current from the same battery to energize the relay's coil. Now, watch this. You can see the diagram on screen which shows how this works. The yellow lines are my small control circuit for the coil. When I connect the power to the coil, click, the electromagnet activates, pulls the armature and closes the contacts of the fan circuit. And just like that, the fan starts spinning. So I'm controlling a larger load, the fan, using a very small separate signal to the relay. When I disconnect the coil, the magnetic field disappears, a spring pulls the armature back, the circuit opens, and the fan stops. It's an incredibly effective and simple mechanism. Let's see it in action one more time with the fan. On and off. In this LED example, I wired the circuit so that it would light up when the circuit was closed by hand. Same principle. I energize the coil, the switch closes, and the LED lights up. It's a fantastic way to isolate circuits or control high-powered devices with a low-power signal. Perfect.